At the Grand. Here's Mrs. Grant. Here's Mrs. Andy. Andy Briggs. Happy Andy.
So, good morning, everybody. It's Kokwana Elta here. We are going to boardwalk. We'll be walking on the board. But no, it's not what I'm going to talk about. It's just that because we are hiking, I just want us to talk about hiking. We keep hearing people saying hiking. What is it actually? So hiking is a walk.
Yes. Going up more vertically and possibly climbing rocks and more of a scrabble.
Okay. So all that is hiking.
Yes.
And then some people hike on the mountains,
Yes.
right? Where there are rocks. Hi guys. So some people, okay, sometimes on the mountains there are rocks, or sometimes there are bugs where you can sink if you are not careful. So as we keep talking about this, I'll show you where we are hiking today. Something like this is called a board walk. Yeah, but we are going to get the rough one up there. We are ascending the mountain. So that is not part of the talk. So the main talk is about hiking. As I said, what is it? Because most people misunderstand it, you know. We don't know what is hiking. We thought it's like me, you know, I thought hiking is just climbing the mountains. So I was wrong. So did you get that? Say yes.
Yes.
You got it. So now, what are the advantages of hiking? Why so many people like hiking? There are so many people behind me. Can see they're hiking. Let's check out what are the advantages. Why should we hike? Why is it so interesting to hike? Why would we invite someone? So I've got my friends here. I've got Roy at the back. If you keep seeing him chipping in to discuss. And I've got my sister as well here. I won't show you her on the camera because she's afraid of cameras. Oh, you see, that's my sister Carol. So you can hear her voice sometimes as we are talking. We are talking about the advantages of hiking. So let's go. Carol, why do you think hiking is good?
Taking exercise.
Health-wise, right?
Indeed.
Good exercise and cheap. Yeah? Why do you think we're exercising? You can hear myself, I'm breathless already. Okay, so it's exercising is a free gym, yeah? And most of the time, most people, you know, in this world these days, we drive to work, we sit in the offices, we don't even get time to go to the gym and stuff like that. So, but when you are free, give yourself time to hike, you know, it's relaxed and then you'll be exercising, right? Whew. I'm breathless already. And we have to climb here. Look, we have to climb here. I'm climbing, you see? I wonder if you'll see me, but I don't want to fall. So, yeah, one most advantages of hiking is exercising. Of course, you walk in the rough road. Even if it's not on the rough road, you still exercise when you walk, right? So walking, hiking, you make challenges. So it's like those stairs in the gym. Okay? We'll be hiking up and down rocks. Hey, it's very good exercise. As we keep talking here, I'll show you where we are walking. Hey? because it's so interesting. It's very wild. Kualia, that is in Ireland. Is that still in Sligo?
Actually, it's in Northern Ireland. It's in the UK.
Okay, we're in Northern Ireland, right? Kualia Mountain in Northern Ireland. Let me show you when I face this side. You can see we're going to walk up there. It's beautiful and a beautiful day. So now, coming back to the advantages of hiking. We talk about the view. It is adventurous, right? You adventure beautiful views. Beautiful. Oh, it's gone into my eye. Beautiful views, as you can see. Look. This is one of the advantages. And to see beautiful places, it relaxes your mind, right?
Okay.
And then, what else?
You get fresh air.
Fresh air is part of hygiene, yeah? It's healthy.
Keep away from COVID, hopefully.
It's healthy, yes, of course. It's healthy way of social distancing, breathing fresh air. You know, with this COVID, we're able to distance. You can see we are walking 2 meters away from everybody and everybody else. And then another advantages of hiking, girls. We meet people, we socialize. Where are you from?
Brazil.
Oh, you're speaking
Portuguese.
Oh, can you say hello to my YouTube fans
Hello.
in Brasilia? Hola. We are in Ireland and we've got Brazil already, and we've got Britain, England. I'm from South Africa. So, yes. So I'm taking you to South Africa. Hey?
My dream is to visit Africa.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Your dream?
Yeah, I was looking for do my exchange
Ah.
in the South Africa capital.
So I'm your passport to South Africa. You got me. So
Yeah, before Ireland, I would like to do my exchange there because I really like it.
what exchange?
Exchange.
Exchange. Student exchange.
Yeah.
Are you a
exchange.
student?
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for, you know. Are you a university student?
No, English student.
So,
here. I was looking to do my exchange at the South of Africa, at capital.
Cape Town, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Have you been there
Here?
to Cape Town?
Not yet, because there is they speak English there.
So what can you do? You know, I've got at the moment, I've got a project in South Africa where we are trying to uplift students, high school students. And then we want people that will love to volunteer to go there, talk something to students, inspire them about your life, about anything, what you want to talk to, you see. So we arrange accommodation for you. So you stay there, you see different world. It's near, it's not in Cape Town though, but it's the safest area, it's rural, but it's near Kruger National Park. Yeah.
My first version was Captain Africa because I really I love your color. I have a dream.
I can paint you.
I have a dream adopt in Brazil or I don't know where black child because I really think so beautiful. So beautiful.
I know you could marry one black man. No.
And you tell about you.
So me,
What's your name? Sorry.
my name is Elta.
Elta.
Yeah, you can
My
check
name
me
is
on.
Rosie.
You can find me on YouTube. Like I'm recording this. I'm called Kokwana Elta on YouTube. I'm from South Africa. I am a nurse.
My nails.
I am a nurse. Nurse?
Nails. Ah, there's a seat here with the name is similar. Nails.
Nurse, you know a nurse that work in the hospital? Nurse?
Nurse.
Yes.
Ah, do you work as nurse?
Yes.
Ah, my sister is nurse in Brazil.
Yeah, but I'm getting old now, you see. Whew. It's hot now. I'm starting to work. We can feel the heat now. Whew. Yeah, the heat is hitting now.
Around 30 minutes from
Okay.
London. Oh my God.
But what is your name again? Your name?
My name? Rosie.
Oh yeah, you said
Do you remember
Rose.
the Titanic?
Titanic, yes.
Titanic, Rose and Jack.
Yeah.
Rosie.
Do you know where Titanic was made?
Yeah,
In
Belfast.
Belfast.
I went, I visited the museum there.
We went to visit there as well. Whew. These mosquitoes.
I visited there. In
God.
before the
These flies. Can you feel them? Oh my. We don't have to talk. Catch up with them. We will see there. Whew. Oh my. I have to put this now. Oh my. Whew. There are these flies now coming along our way. Guys. No, all of a sudden there was these flies around. What do you call them?
Dog flies.
Bug flies. So when I opened my mouth, they were coming into my mouth.
Well, clearly there'd be a lot in the mouth.
Oh no. So anyway, thanks to my scarf. So we were talking about the health issue. That hiking, of course, is very healthy. You breathe fresh air. You help to social distance. Like during these days of Corona, it makes life a little bit easy. So let's talk about the social aspect. Because we said we just met those girls.
You can meet people.
We meet people, we network already. I found that girl who wants to go to South Africa. So we exchanged numbers. She wants to make student swap. She's a student in the University of Dublin. So yeah, that's how you meet people. That's how you explore. You know, that's how you network. You grow as well. So if she was a nice guy, already I'll be having a boyfriend. What do you think?
I think you could well anyway.
So I'll be getting a boyfriend, and then if I'm looking for marriage, I had got it. You see, so that's how the flies are gone now. And we learn from other people, isn't it?
Yeah.
How they do things, how they walk along the hiking, because there are so many people you can see behind me. And you see, there are people there and people all over. And then some hiking places really are very busy. So today here is even cloudy. It's even cloudy. That's what makes it very healthy and fresh. Okay? So now, besides networking, making friends,
Well,
meeting people.
It's not expensive.
Oh yeah, it's very cheap.
Free, apart from getting there.
It's very cheap, isn't
Lots of
it?
places you can get.
Let's imagine when we were at home the whole day. How much do we spend?
Yeah.
We keep on going to the kitchen, spending, eating, and then before you know, we want to buy beer. We want to buy a little something. What do you think is about spending? You calling someone, internet, you know, all those things. So when you are out hiking there, you don't think of all those things, do you?
Yeah. Peaceful.
We don't even phone people.
Normally it's peaceful.
We don't phone. We are really saving by this, you know. When you were in the city, for example, on holiday, like now we're on holiday, but we're out there, you see. So if we were in the city, imagine how much would we be spending?
A lot.
Eh? Buying this, wanting to take a train, wanting to do this and this in the city. Before you know, you spend £100 an hour. But here, nothing. The breakfast you had in the morning is enough. You can have a little sandwich, put it on your backpack, and you don't think of food. You just concentrate on this walk. It's great. So in that way, it's really cost effective. You don't spend money to go to the gym for today, isn't it? We've already done enough. So again, next thing I just said about gym, going to the gym. Have you thought about losing weight as an advantage? What do you think?
Yes, definitely.
Well, since this month I've been here in Ireland for 3 weeks and we keep on hiking. Hey guys, I've lost about 2 kilos. I've lost about 2 kilos because it's not food I'm thinking about. I just wake up, keep walking, doing this and that, you know. So if you want to lose weight and be slim and be a model, go hiking.
Get used to what you're
Go hiking, right?
Right.
Okay. What is another advantage? Is that all?
I think you've done them now. I think you've
All
done
of them?
Yeah.
Really? You're lying. So, okay. Let's round up. We said you meet friends, you meet people, it's socio-economically safe, exercising because it is a gym, and then you can lose weight, cost effective. That's it.
That's it.
Oh, okay. So let's go hiking. So hiking is good for you guys, and it's good for, I can't think of anything else, but then those are the advantages. Let me quickly round up. We said you meet friends, you are exercising, it's a gym. You are morning, you see, we need keep meeting people, friends, saying hello. Maybe when it take away your loneliness as well, you know. Because when you are at home, you will be lonely and miserable. So exercising, you gym, lose weight, you meet people, you socialize, you network, you learn, you adventure, you see the beautiful, you explore the place. So if you like talks like this, guys, subscribe to this channel, Kokwana Elta's channel on YouTube. Just type Kokwana Elta and then you subscribe. After subscribing, you say, I like this video. When you like this video, share it with others so that they can benefit as well. The six are starting to fly again. So you share with others so that we all benefit and reach out so many people. When you have shared, press the bell as well there to say, hey, when you press the bell, each time a new video is uploaded, you are the first to know. So stay tuned for next video. Next video, don't miss it because it's the same package of this. We'll be talking about what? Safety.
Yes.
Safety on hiking. Hey, so stay tuned. Don't miss that one because it is very, very, very important. And then see you next time. Stay blessed and have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's hard here now. We can really feel the heat. Oh gosh. Okay. Bye for now.